Hello there! Come with me on an overview of TJC IP Humanities. TJC IP Humanities program is truly one of a kind, as the syllabus here paves a 4-year-long course preparing us for any arts program we might choose in JC. In IP 1 and 2, we are given a broad, multidisciplinary introduction to humanities through fundamental humanities. In IP 3 and 4, we can choose the humanities discipline that we want to specialize in. My subject combination is History 2 and Geography 1 paired with Singapore Studies. History 2 introduces you to a range of topics from the theatres of World War to the origins of Cold War as well as local history. History lessons are not only content-based but also include group work and presentations of each other's work, allowing us an interactive learning experience. Moreover, History 2 equips students with critical thinking and a strong base to write quality essays. Next, we have Core Humanities, which comprises of Singapore Studies and a humanities module of your choice. In Singapore Studies, we learn to think more critically about the issues that Singaporeans face, such as national identity, racism, and socio-economic inequality. I think one of the most memorable events was the Moot Parliament, where we were given a choice to vote on the issues that we wanted to debate on, and then we were assigned personas such as the Prime Minister and opposition parties to research, present, and debate on. In addition to Singapore Studies, we can choose one of the 3 humanities modules: Elit, History, or Geography. My choice was Geography 1, where we study the interaction between humans and environment and explore current world issues such as the impacts of development and climate change. To be very honest, when I first started learning the content, I was quite apprehensive. But as I went on, I started enjoying the various activities such as geographical investigation, which involves going out of the classroom to measure temperature, examining rock samples in class, and many more. Lastly, although I don't learn Elit, my friends have told me about how they start with analysing poetry to move forward with classics such as Romeo and Juliet. Moreover, they even have dramatization that they would act in. This will allow them an immersive learning experience of the text. To me so far, TJC IP Humanities has been a rollercoaster ride from which I have learned the importance of critical thinking and deepened my understanding of the content. That being said, these programs are only possible because of our committed humanities teachers who have created a unique syllabus that takes us beyond the basics, making our lessons enjoyable and informative. So what are you all waiting for? Come join us!